I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
Okay, what's up, you guys? We are starting it off with this. This is my Lyna Wig, y'all. MLF126. And I got the color TT6 and this is from Bobbi Boss. This is their premium synthetic lace part wig. And I got this from BTYS Krew on Amazon for $26, y'all. So we just gonna get right into it and open up this packaging and see what we are working with. And like I said, I got this from I think it's BTS or BYS Krew. You can find them on Instagram as well. I will be sure to link everything down below. But this is the Lyna Wig, my first time with blonde, y'all. And this is what the stock card looks like. As you can see, it is hand tied and it is heat safe. I think up to 375 degrees. And this is, I'm just showing everybody from the fam bam. So this is the Yara family, y'all. And y'all, I will be sure to be getting some of these wigs as well. And Beauty Krew, they were very good with the customer service. And it was cheap. So that is one of the main reasons why I got it, because everywhere else it was like $30-something. I was like, no ma'am, no ham, no turkey. I'm going to get this for $26. So that's what I did, as well as buying some wig grips. But this is where you can find them, Beauty Krew, Beauty Supply on BTY Krew on their Instagram and their Facebook. And you can use that code, which I will have down below, so you guys can save some coins and look cute at the same time. So we are just getting rid of all of the extraness. This is the foam pattern to keep it nice and structured, and the netting to protect the hair from whatever may have you. And this is the wig straight out of its packaging. Let me throw away all the flyaways, or brush away all the flyaways, so y'all can see it in its true glory. Look at that color, y'all. Ain't it pretty? I'm scared, y'all. I'm so scared. I'm telling y'all, when I brought it, I was like, yes, I'm gonna be fly. But then I saw it, I was like, ooh, child. But this is the color. This is a ash blonde color, and it is, I think it is dark rooted brown at the top, if I'm not mistaken, like a dark brown. It looked like a chocolate to me. What do y'all think? But this is the parting, this is the lace, and this is the parting space right here. It's great parting. If you want, you are free to pluck the parting space to make it a little bit wider, but just plop some powder on it. It comes with 2 combs on the sides, and it has the hand-tied lace right there in the middle. This is a middle part wig, y'all, so if y'all not middle part people, just shift it on over to the side and y'all good to go. It has a comb in the back with the tags and the 2 adjustable straps. And I will say that this wig is big head friendly, so if you have a big head, then this is a good wig for you. So I didn't really use the adjustable straps. And this is me with my wig grip and my little stocking cap or whatever. So I'm just going to show you guys how I apply my wig. So we just going to fast forward everything, and y'all just going to see me work. But it won't stay this way, so I'm probably gonna have to mold it down with some gel. But side part, because I'm not a middle part girl. So yeah, see, look, y'all, who can't wear blonde? But yeah, let me cut this lace and I will be right back, y'all. Right back.
Purchase your tracks today.
show you guys the back of my hair. Hopefully y'all can see it all. Y'all can see the length. So that is how the back look, and I just like this bump down here and not the straight one, you know, the regular straight bobs. I really don't like that, so I love this one. I love the color. I love how it ombres. This looks black, but it's like a deep brown. Like, this is brown and black and blonde, and I could do this. I could be a blonde, you know. I could be a blonde. But all I did was put some baby hairs, which I'm probably gonna put some more because I don't like this patch right here. It looks stupid, and y'all know me. Every time I do my baby hairs, I be slaying, okay? So I'm gonna have to put some more baby hairs right here. And this is how the wig came out. I did the flip over method because I didn't really like middle parts. I don't think I'm a middle part chick, but I'm liking her. Y'all didn't think I would. Hubby said he likes her too, so that is a good for me. I will be buying her in black. If y'all want to see that video review on the black one, let me know down below, or any other color, because they have other colors to choose from, like blue and like a purple, green. I think that was pretty much it. But again, this is the Lyna wig. She looks like this. And I know they have a Lyna and a Lyna Sleek. This is just a plain Lyna, and I got mine in the color TT6 23, but I will have it down below, as well as the direct link to the wig itself. And I got this from Amazon, from the Beauty Krew, a beauty supply store on Amazon. So thank you, Beauty Krew, for, I guess, selling the wigs, because I love it, and I will be buying some more from you guys. So yeah. And I think this wig costed me $36 if I'm not mistaken. If I will have the link down below to the Amazon site. But this is the wigs from Bobbi Boss. This is the Yara family, and there's plenty other ones. So if you guys want to see any of them, you let me know, and I'll get back to these wig reviews for you guys, because I love doing it. I mean, look, I'm a whole new girl. I'm a whole new person. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.